Welcome. I am your crypto specialist Var, and this is BossNav, a GPUnet subnet. So if you like this particular episode, please like and subscribe, and you can also vote. So in this particular episode, what I want to do is I wanted to focus on another subnet called Boost. And I'm going to cover some of the different things I like about it and what's intriguing about it. So, with my particular subnet, I like to cover content dealing with GPU.net, and this is one of the particular dApps or subnets on GPU.net that kind of stand out. So, I wanted to point out what it is and what I like about it, and then we'll go from there. So, what is Boost? So we'll go into that. But first, one of the things that stood out about Boost to me is majority of the top 10 uh, subnets on GP.net have some affiliation with the core team. I definitely know GPU Drop. I definitely know GPU DeFi, a lot of the data centers and stuff like that. Those tend to be part of the core team stuff. So a lot of their votes are coming from the core team. But what stands out to me about Boost, so Boost right now is ranked as the number 8. So this right here, I have this, these are the different subnets in the top 8, and it's ranked number 8 right now. Okay, so overall, in terms of votes, so most votes. So right now, Boost has 83,000 GPU coins staked towards it, voting towards it, which shows it's very popular because it's in the top 10. But what makes it even more intriguing to me is it's actually in the top 10, but it's not part of the core team. So, so that makes it stand out to me as well, because it's really actually probably the number 2 subnet that's ran by like a community member that's not necessarily part of the core team. So that's one thing that really stood out about it. So it made me want to do a little more research on what it actually does. And Boost focuses on marketing and getting GPU.net's name out and getting them ranked high in different places. So we're going to go into what Boost actually does. Boost, let's read a little bit about Boost here. It said Boost, never ending boost for GPUnet, the biggest and the most active marketing subnet on GPUnet. This subnet is boosting GPUnet all over the internet. But let's go further and more into what Boost does. So how is it actually going to be doing this marketing and outreach and things of that nature? So I was intrigued, so I wanted to read a little more into it. So it says Boost, its mission. A strong project like GPU.net needs to show its top position in community engagement. Boost Subnet achieves this by being the best and the most active marketing subnet on GPU.net. Boost Subnet was created to use collected rewards to purchase golden tickets on dexscanner.com and turbo ticketers on dextools.io, elevating GP.net's ranking on these platforms. These efforts attract new investors, enhance the project's credibility, and amplifies its presence in the crypto ecosystem. Nowadays, Boost is also a full stack marketing subnet which creates new activities, collaborate, and engage in community to promote products all over the internet together. So, what stands out about this here is the Dex Screener. So, Dex Screener is pretty much a place that a lot of people do trading. They look up new coins, and if you're a crypto enthusiast, it's actually a place that you go to try to find out if a particular project is legitimate and out there to maybe that you can invest in. So a lot of people use Dex Screener, so that was kind of intriguing to me. So I was like, okay, so let's kind of look a little more into what Dex Screener is. So that's the big one for me that really stood out. So let's, if you're not familiar with Dex Screener, let's kind of go into what that's all about. So let's talk about those golden tickets that it's actually using to boost visibility. A golden ticket on Dex Screener is a visual indicator, not a physical item, for a token that has accumulated 500 or more active boosts. When a token achieves this milestone, its symbol on Dex Screener platform turns a distinctive golden color, making it more prominent and easier to use to spot amongst other tokens. The golden ticket remains active as long as the token maintains at least 500 active boosts. So, pretty much what happens is GPUnet's coin is pretty much given a status because they are using their coins generated from the subnet. So when these particular projects are subnets and they have all these votes, they're accumulating money that they can use to do things. And what they're doing is they're buying tickets with Boost Subnet. They're buying these tickets to help boost the notoriety and the visibility of the GPU.net coin. So this helps so that traders can know that this is a viable and valued product and project out there, that it's legitimate and things of that nature. So I thought that was pretty good because I do know there's a that this is one of the up and coming platforms, Dex Screener, that I learned about over the last, I want to say, year or so. Because I'm part of some communities that were using that and talking about it when it came to meme coins and different things of that nature. So I started hearing more and more about it. So I do like that particular feature. All right, so that gives you a little bit of insight on what Boost does using Dex Screener. So I thought that was pretty unique, where it is accumulating money to purchase these particular tickets so that GPU.net has the 500 that it needs to boost its notoriety and its value on the DexScreener platform. So I thought that was good because, that's where a lot of crypto enthusiasts are checking out new tokens and things of that nature. So it helps. And you can also trade and do different things on DexScreener. So I thought that was pretty valuable. So going a little bit further, it says more activities of Boost Subnet. Activities encourage the community to collaborate and to build GPU.net together. Promote GPU.net daily through posts and engagement on X, which used to be called Twitter. Foster an active community on Discord and Telegram by sharing updates and inspiring participation. Partner with the community to boost GP.net's visibility on CoinMarketCap and other platforms. Now that was a big one too. So the fact that they're also going to be focusing on CoinMarketCap, which is one of the OG places that people do research for. I even use CoinMarketCap, and there's also CoinGecko and different things like that. But this one specifically saying CoinMarketCap is another place that people do research and to check pricing on coins and things of that nature. So CoinMarketCap's a big one too. So so overall, I am liking what I'm seeing. So the person that runs this is Flacco. This here is his Twitter. This was looks like. This is the symbol for Boost. So my overall thoughts about it is very important for GPU .net and the GPU coin to get for people to know about it. You can have the best product, best project out there, but unless people actually know what it is, what it does, if it doesn't have people to get attention, it really doesn't matter. So you need a combination of value, but you also need people to see that value for it to be sold, for it to be eyes put on it. And that's very, very important because that's the next stage. Because I do believe GPU Net has a phenomenal product from its computational power with all the GPUs that it has with that particular DApp. In addition to that, it has the subnets where you could go ahead and create a subnet without knowing any coding or anything like that. It has all these different projects that are starting to build and use GPUnet, such as Boost. So I do think it has a lot of value, but now we need attention that will show this value to the public and the masses so that people know what the coin does as different features come out, as different subnets come out, that people know where to go. Because what's the point of having something so valuable if nobody knows about it? It's a hidden gem, but we don't want it to be hidden, right? We want people to actually see it and be able to talk about it and for it to uh, be a discussion. So that's why Boost is important. Definitely check them out. Look at the information. That's another reason why for my particular subnet, I also do content. So my subnet is BossNav. I'm also doing content to try to get people to understand what the subnets do and to put attention out there when it comes to GPU.net. So, what do you think about this particular subnet? It's one of the top subnets, focusing on marketing and getting the eyeballs on the coin. I think it has value. Tell me your thoughts below. If you like this particular episode, please like, subscribe, and vote for Boss Nav or Boost. I appreciate your time. Thank you. Have a blessed day.